For millennia, humanity has gazed at the stars and wondered about our place in the vastness of the universe. Where did all this come from? What forces shaped the cosmos we see today? Is there a divine creator behind it all, or is existence simply a cosmic accident? Today, science is our most powerful tool for understanding the cosmos, unlocking mysteries once thought unknowable. But can it answer the ultimate question? Does God exist? Or is that a mystery beyond its grasp? Science relies on testable evidence and repeatable results, while the concept of God often points to something beyond the measurable universe and outside the reach of experiments. Some see the universe's elegance and order as evidence of a grand designer. Others see only natural forces at work, unfolding over billions of years. The real question: is science equipped to answer questions about the divine? Or are we asking it to solve a mystery outside its reach and purpose? To find out, we must explore what science truly is and what we really mean when we speak of God. Science is more than facts. It's a method for uncovering truth about the natural world. It starts with observation, forms a testable hypothesis, and demands repeatable experiments. Evidence is king. If data contradicts a hypothesis, it must be revised or discarded. Over time, well-tested ideas become scientific theories, robust explanations supported by mountains of evidence. Science doesn't offer absolute proof, but builds confidence through overwhelming evidence. All scientific knowledge is provisional, always open to revision. This willingness to adapt is science's greatest strength. But can this method tackle questions about the supernatural? Science and faith ask different questions, each offering a unique lens through which we try to understand our world and ourselves. Science seeks to explain how the universe works, using evidence, careful observation, and experiment to uncover the laws of nature. Faith asks why we exist, what is right or wrong, and what gives life meaning. Questions that often reach beyond what can be measured or tested. Stephen Jay Gould called this the principle of non-overlapping magisteria. Science covers facts and mechanisms, while religion explores values and meaning. Sometimes claims overlap, like the age of the earth or miracles, and in those cases, science can test and evaluate those assertions. But most spiritual questions, such as the purpose of life or the existence of a higher power, lie outside science's reach. Still, discoveries in science can reshape our sense of meaning and place in the universe, inspiring awe and new perspectives. The boundaries between science and faith are not always clear, but their questions are often distinct, and both can enrich our understanding of existence. Science and faith have long influenced each other, sometimes in harmony, sometimes in conflict. Their relationship has shaped the way we see the world and our place within it. Newton saw science as a way to understand God's creation. For him, exploring nature was a form of worship and discovery. Galileo's discoveries challenged religious authority, sparking debates that echoed through centuries. Darwin's theory of evolution sparked debate about humanity's place in the cosmos, raising new questions about life's origins. Today, some scientists find no conflict between their work and faith, seeing both as paths to truth and understanding. While others see science as making God unnecessary, believing evidence alone can explain existence. Science can test claims about the natural world, offering answers grounded in observation and experiment. But a God outside nature remains beyond its scope, untouched by scientific tools or measurement. The ultimate question, does God exist, may never be settled by science alone, no matter how far we search. Instead, it lives at the intersection of evidence, philosophy, and personal belief, where ideas and convictions meet. Our search for knowledge and meaning continues, as it always has, driven by wonder and the desire to understand our universe.